Alright, meteorologist Dean Davis and the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. We're going to take a look at this CBS station's map here of the tornadoes that happened last Friday, and we're going to describe something. We've had over 10 tornadoes now in Virginia this year. We're way above. We average one a year. And let's see, EF0 in Ivor, or EF1 in McKinney, EF0 Mosley, EF1 Dahlgreen, EF1 Bledsoe Corner, and then the EF0 close to an EF1 here in Moneta. And that's the one that I went out on and showed you damage on. But like I said, and then there was a few, like I said earlier in the year, down here in the Norfolk area. There was a few up by DC. So it's been a busy, busy year for tornadoes in the state of Virginia. So we're going to take a look at what's going on over the next few days, and hopefully we're not going to see any more tornadoes in this area. What you're going to see is rain. We're going to get some rain moving through the area into the area tomorrow. This will come out around 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. You get some rain, you get a little bit of a break, and here comes the next boundary full of rain on the stationary front. And on Friday. And it'll continue straight through the weekend. Up to the weekend, I should say. After that, you're going to get clearing for the weekend. That's what I was meant to say. Let me see. Taking a look at accumulation of rain up through Friday. We're looking at, again, anywhere where it lines up, close to an inch of rain. And then there's some that are a little higher. We don't need rain. A lot of rain to get flooding at this point because of the past. We're going to look at some shear profiles here and see if we have any chance of thunderstorms, which we do, and I want to see how much shear we have versus what the potential severe weather is, mainly for Wednesday and Thursday. And like I said, it's been a busy year for severe weather. It doesn't look like we have any based on this one for Wednesday. We'll head a little closer to Thursday because it's a lot more shear. And this one is probably going to have a little more of a chance of thunderstorm damaging winds and weak tornadoes. And yes, it does. This is going to be... Let me pull this up. What exactly are we looking at? 18Z Wednesday. So Wednesday, you see we have a lot. We have more Cape. We have weak tornado potential. SCP is not too high. We do have the supercell. Not a whole lot of rotation, but these spin up weaker tornadoes are a potential. And with 2,800 surface Cape, this could be an interesting situation. We'll continue on as we get closer to the 8 p.m. time frame, because there we're going to look into Wednesday evening. We don't, like I said, and like I'm going to say again, we don't want Wednesday evening to be another. This could definitely be a damaging wind issue. And my problem with this is we don't want to see nocturnal tornadoes. These nocturnal tornadoes can be deadly. There is a nice angle here, so I would say that the chance of isolated tornadoes, again, I do not like the fact that we're going to probably be looking at isolated tornadic probabilities. We look into the day on Friday, Thursday night and Friday. This should be a little more also linear, in my belief, based on how it's going to come in. But this is not good, and it actually has a tornado potential because you have east to southwest switch. You have over 1 in your ship and over 1 in your STP. Let me see, 1,300 Cape. So we would have the potential here for tornado development on Friday. So we could actually have this isolated severe weather again, isolated tornadoes over the next couple days. So please have weather radios operable, because it's just been a very bad couple of weeks. We don't want to see, like I said, I don't want to see tornadic activity hurt people. It's the STP. As you do see, the STP does show up heavily, especially when we move towards Friday, which is called the Significant Tornado Parameter. And we'll take a look at the EHI, and you see enhanced helicity would definitely be there too. So we need to watch out for this stuff, because this just is a problem waiting to happen again. I don't want to see more tornadoes, obviously, for the area, but we need to be ready for them if they do occur. We can't be complacent in that aspect. And that's my fear, is people get complacent when there's no tornadoes. Or they say, that, oh, it's just a weak tornado. But that potential is the problem. 2800 Cape, wind damage. I just don't like the potential. And I hope that people are very vigilant for this. Because it's been extremely crazy. And then I was looking like next Wednesday we may get another severe weather issue a week from that. I'm just taking this way out, yeah. So we may head into more of a severe weather outbreak if things keep going by the week of the 24th. So it's just been a crazy couple of days. I would just advise, watch out for the heavy rain and the isolated thunderstorms, and have a weather radio on. We do not want to see, we have to be prepared for isolated tornadoes, especially over the next couple of days. Especially Wednesday through Friday. So please keep a good eye out for that. We'll keep you updated. We'll probably have another update tomorrow to get deeper into this for the Wednesday, Thursday, Friday issue. And we'll talk to you then. Meteorologist Dean Davison. Thanks for watching.